Hi, today we're here to show the difference between opening a pop can and the Tac-65 Tactical Innovation Suppressor on an M44 Mossberg. First, the can. Now, here we go. Didn't quite hit the target. I think I better adjust for the breaking wind a little bit. God, not that kind of breaking wind. I gotta get a new camera, man. Quiet. Oh, do I look tactical enough? Do I look tactical?
You look tactical.
Just for comparison purposes, we're going to use standard velocity ammunition in a standard Ruger 1022. Thank you very much.
We're through.